Fred Rees is my name, and I'm the Managing Director of Milltech Proprietary Limited. And our company does a processing of steel bars. It means changing the bar structure metallurgically. We actually were made aware of some other equipment that's arriving from the States, and it's called an induction heat treatment line, which we finished up purchasing, and it does one bar at a time. Well, initially from the induction line, we had the tremendous benefits, but the big drawback was it was very high electricity user. We immediately got stuck into it and had a look at what sort of things we needed to do to achieve a reduction in consumption. We said, we put panels on our roof, solar panels. We put in some energy efficient lighting. We put in a new air compressor, uses 50% of electricity compared to the old one. Operating at the peak period was costing us a lot of money. So we changed the afternoon shift to night shift and stopped operating between 2 and 8 p.m.
We've reduced our costs by about by about $4.5 million, and we've reduced the CO2 emission by 8,500 tonnes. Our aim is to get to net zero by 2030.